Hello everyone, welcome to Gosia at Home Cooking. Today we are making Polish original potato soup called Kartoflanka. Kartoflanka is a simple and inexpensive potato soup and we enjoy so much and I hope you enjoy too. Let's get started. First we chop onion. Onion is chopped and I'll put onion on side and I will prepare all the vegetables we need for this soup. First I will peel potatoes. The potato soup Kartoflanka is the most popular soup in Poland. Now I will peel parsley root. If you don't have parsley root you can use parsnip. Parsnip is a combination carrot and parsley root. Now I have 2 carrots root. Okay, we're done with our vegetables. I will cut potatoes in medium-sized cubes. Okay, the potatoes done. You can see it's 4 potatoes. I have very large potatoes, so we have lots of potatoes. But this is a potato soup, so we have lots of potatoes. Next, I will cut carrot. I just cut carrot in bite size. Carrot goes on side. I'm almost done. Parsley root. Parsley root is done. And the last one is a celery. You can use the celery root. I don't have the celery root, so I'll use the celery stick. And we're done with this part. It's beautiful, lots of colors. I love colors in my soup. And the last part, garlic chopped. Okay, garlic is done. I have 3 different sausages for different flavor. You can use bacon for your potato soup. Prepare mock rib, it's your choice. Use whatever you have at home. Sausages are cut and let's get started. Let's go assemble all these ingredients together and make this delicious potato soup, Kartoflanka. And the stove, I turn on a high temperature. First, sausages. Two tablespoons of butter. Next, I'm adding onion and I will saute onion with sausages until lightly brown. Now I'm adding 2 bay leaves. I will add garlic, but just half of the garlic, and the rest of it I will add on the end for extra garlic flavor. Now I'm adding carrots, parsley root, celery. And now the most important part, potatoes, because it's a potato soup, so I'm adding potatoes for Kartoflanka. I'm adding herbs, allspice, marjoram, about 1 tablespoon, turmeric, half a teaspoon, pepper, half a teaspoon, and salt. Let's go combine this. And now I'm adding the flour. Now the flour will coat beautiful vegetables. Let's go cook for a little bit. Look at this color, so beautiful. Okay, all vegetables coated with herbs and flour. And the last part, I have meat broth. I'm adding to my vegetables. I have about 1 liter, 4 cups of meat broth. Now I'm adding 2 cups of the fresh water. Here you go, and I will cook this till all vegetables will be soft. And we're almost done. Flavor of the soup so far. I just tried the soup. Oh, it's amazing today, and I would recommend this soup. If you never eat the potato soup, you have to try it. It's so delicious. Simple, not expensive, and you will enjoy. If you try once, you will start making more and more. Perfect. The last part, I'm adding green parsley and the rest of the garlic, and potato soup is done. The soup is delicious. Yummy. Delicious. You can add sour cream. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this recipe, please comment, like and share. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified about my new recipe. I have so many delicious recipes on my channel. Be sure to check them out. See you soon on my next episode. Bye bye. Dziękuję bardzo. Smacznego.